Hi berries, in this short video I'm going to show you guys how to do glueless braided wig. So these are all the materials I need: my lace, my cap, my well ventilated closure. My closures I don't need blocking because I vent my closures for it to be very natural, so you actually don't need to block my laces whenever you get any lace from me. So this is my lace. The next thing I'm gonna do now is to go ahead and secure our mesh cap on my mannequin hair. How you can easily do glueless braided wigs. This what I'm going to show you in this video. If you follow it, you don't need to use any so you don't need any glue to install your braided wig. If you follow exactly what I'm gonna show you guys in this video and the subsequent one that will be coming after this one. So this is the first step you have to take. You have to resize your cap depending on the size of your client or the size of your hair. You have to use your measuring tape. So sorry, I didn't shoot when I was doing the measurement. You measure to know whether this cap needs adjustment. So this is the first step to get a glueless braided wig or a glueless hair. Like you want a wig and you want that whether it's frontal, whether it's full closures. So this is the first thing you have to do: resize the cap, make sure the cap is fitted. Okay, make sure the cap is fitted. That will give you glueless wig. Not just this, I'm gonna show you guys the next thing you have to do to get your glueless braided wig. So this is the first step, which is adjusting the cap. So this is very easy to do. Just use your needle and thread to adjust the cap depending on the inches of the person you are making the braided wig for, or if you're making it for yourself, you have to measure to know whether the cap is your exact size or does it need adjustment. So this particular one need adjustment, and that's exactly what I did to get my glueless wig first step. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next part of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more.